What is this?
Vlog season 3. It's freaking middle of summer 3.
There's no one here. There's no one here.
You gotta prepare.
There's the window dude here.
Can I take the seat?
Hey, whatever. Your guitar's there.
Am I allowed to be here?
Wherever you want.
Promise. I don't wanna. I don't like that. I don't like that seat. Let's keep it there for a little bit. How you doing, Tommy?
Is Ross here yet? Jesus Christ.
You know what? Yo, this is Dan-ass era 3, season 3. So first season was 11th grade. Second season was 12th grade. Third season, we're in university, baby. However, this is the summer, last summer, until we hit uni. Uni. Yo, take in right now, we're non-uni. But starting September 4, we're going to be in uni. Uniform. Because take in, non-uni. Thomas. Holy shit. Where'd you get that? I got a lens flare. Shit.
You just record everything?
Huh? Do I what?
You record
Dude, this
everything?
is gonna be like one of the best vlogs.
Why? Because there's a fucking fire in it?
Yeah! Woo! Look who it is!
What the fuck is this shit? You're not vlogging.
Did you bring a pic?
Fuck pics, man. What am I, a pussy? I'll just use my knife.
Don't use your knife.
Don't use your knife. Is that your new knife?
No,
Wait, what?
It's a knife.
It's a
You never got a
same
new knife.
I thought that was your
That was
mom's.
my
That's why she
mother's.
pulled it out of your
No,
purse.
My mother brought out like a stainless steel fucking serrated blade bullshit. It's
Dude,
crazy.
can you play Wonderwall?
I forget how to do it.
You just said you were gonna.
I know it starts with a.
Oh, can I don't think people know about the whole
Is that Shezid?
Hey!
Oh my god, it's me. Listen, I
Gets
forget
along with
Wonderwall, but I know it starts with a. Fuck, what is it?
Today!
Where's the window guy? Window guy. Where's fire
Window guy,
guy?
window
Window
guy.
guy.
There.
Where's fire guy?
He's still there.
You didn't invite fire guy?
He's still there.
You didn't invite fire guy. Fire guy's not here.
Well, I'm the fire guy.
Whoa. Calm down, Thomas.
Fireman.
I don't think we're all prepared for this. You're
Yo,
not
can you
prepared.
can you explain your hair?
they are. Fuck
What happened
I
to
don't
your
know what
hair?
happened. Like I fell in like ass.
Shazai, can you tell me what happened to your hair?
What happened to what hair?
Your beard.
My beard? I shaved
What the
You
hell, dude?
motherfucker. You fucking stupid
What the
bitch.
hell's your
it. I
problem?
don't want to look like
Did we wax him today?
a terrorist when I get
Did
my
we wax him?
passport. Yeah, I'm illegal right now, dude.
What the fuck happened to my
Shut
leg?
the fuck up.
Oh yeah, it's
Yo, what
scabbed.
happened to that little cut?
Scabbed.
Oh, wait, that's the same cut?
Yeah, it is.
Oh shit. That's disgusting.
When I cleaned and he was being a bitch about.
Yeah.
Oh,
He was
yeah.
biting his shirt.
Fuck
You're
you.
a little
This
bitch,
is
dude.
alcohol.
Yo, I'm gonna freaking stab you in the gut.
You could have just drank it. Like, jeez, man.
I know you can die from that. I asked my dad if I could have drank it, and he said no, I could have died.
Isopropanol is totally
No,
safe.
you could have died
No,
of
you
cancer.
can't.
2 days.
Wait, Jonathan's here, dude? Oh shit. Oh my god. Mhm. Oh, that's so strong! Oh,
What's so strong?
I had a berry.
He's hiding. Or what, he went through.
That's him. Yo, Wonderwall, ready?
Okay.
3,
Here.
2, 1.
Fucking car's in the way. And I still need to get the music though.
Today is gonna be the day we're gonna get it back to you.
John!
John Partlow.
John O'Tan. More like Jonathan.
Good. Is your sticker on your guitar?
It's not mine.
That's a.
Come on, man.
Yo, Dan, you wanna use my mic?
What
are you talking about, Sean?
Mic.
Do you actually have a shotgun mic on you?
It's on my bag.
You're about to witness some epic audio.
Put it in the center. There you go.
Yo, what?
You
audio
silly
is that?
goose.
There's like 3.
It is on.
In the center?
Yo, yo, it's not
Yeah.
Atticus.
Okay.
You fucking retard.
Alright, let's try this
Is
again.
that Atticus?
Is that Atticus?
Whoa,
Did
look
he
at this
free them?
audio. Thank you for the audio, John.
Tonight's the night.
John!
Where is the liquor, John?
Whoa, wood.
I bought wood at Home Depot. It was still wet. That shit's bullshit. Fresh
It's
cut.
still wet?
Yeah, dude. All of it.
That doesn't.
Shit was whack.
That's not good.
Shit was
That's
whack.
not real
No, but
wood.
I searched long and hard, and my closet about to look.
Because I have like long planks, but you can cut them if you need more.
Got a miter saw?
What?
I have a,
Yeah, I have like a bunch of saws in my garage.
Do you have a water saw?
No, like a miter saw where you're like, you go.
Do you have a water saw?
Do you have
Oh,
a
I do
laser
have
saw?
one.
Does he have a water saw?
You saw what?
You did
No,
what?
it's so
Yo, if I do this, your arm looks massive, homie.
Cause I'm fucking hench, fucker.
Yo, taken, that's where
Yo,
we
why
saw
didn't you invite
Drake.
Neil?
We all know why we didn't.
We saw Drake over there.
Where'd you see Drake?
Stop.
We saw
stop,
Drake
bro.
right there, dude.
Yeah, Drake was
That was dead ass Drake. It
I
had to be
promise
Drake.
you.
I
That
promise
was-
you.
It was
Me and
2
Ross
days-
saw
It was
Drake.
2 days before he said that shit. I was like,
Yeah.
yo, is that
No,
fucking
that was
Drake?
dead ass Drake though.
He had the
It had to
fucking
be.
beard. He had
You
an
guys were
OVO
here
shirt.
and you saw him?
He had an
Yes, he
OVO
was staring
shirt.
right at
I
us.
swear I saw a fucking owl on his shirt, bro.
That's crazy.
Either that or a mustard.
It was
stain.
probably a Van Noss t-shirt, homie.
Hey Ross, you want? I challenge you to the ice bucket challenge.
I have ALS, you sick.
Yeah, that's why you have to do it.
Challenge you to ALS.
Who can get ALS first?
Who's gonna get ALS first? On the real note.
It doesn't run in my family, so probably not me.
He said it again.
What?
I challenge you to stage 4 ALS.
Stage 4.
What? You're culturally.
You're gonna know how to fall.
Yo, Double John.
Double jump. Useful to get to high places.
Is that from Spider-Man?
Because I played the games, bro. I
played
didn't
the
think you
third
played
one.
them. I played.
Yo, what with the
It's all like to see manual focus back in the game. You know what I'm saying? It's been a while since I held the camera. You know what I'm saying?
I'm saying raw.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, Daniel, toss me the guitar. I can play a mean guitar.
Get off me.
Give me the guitar.
No.
Give me the guitar.
You freaking
Daniel, you
immigrant?
don't know what you're doing.
Pretty right.
Yo, can you play while my guitar gently weeps?
I'm on vocals.
I hurt myself
So fucking skilled.
today to see if I focus on
That may be the most edgiest thing I've heard.
the only thing that's real. A needle tears a hole.
Wants content. Show him your.
Or put it on like, put it on that chair and try to angle it towards us in a cool way.
It's just the knife.
The night.
The night.
Teeth.
Teeth in the teeth take in the dead of night. Take these broken wings. It's not broken wings. Jump Shazad.
You Haas.
Remember?
Hey!
We're gonna bring our chairs over there. That's pretty spicy.
Like literally nothing. This is the whitest meal you could have.
He's the whitest guy you've ever met.
There's maybe pepper on the zucchini,
Wake up.
and that's it.
I'm allergic to
Are you sure?
chicken.
Uh-huh.
Yo, fucking John, what time is it?
So guys, how's the campfire so far?
Hey boys, let's get SpongeBob. Let's get Daniel demonetized.
Say the N-word.
Just straight up get him demonetized.
Yeah!
Question.
6400 ISO, Thomas.
What's going on?
Mr. Brightside.
Make my balls.
Turn off.
Shit, it is hot. What the fuck?
That's 400 ISO.
My right leg was like, feel my right leg. Daniel, feel the right leg.
Yeah, grab his thigh.
You perv.
Hey,
Yes, you do. I'm all of you.
Look like the villain from Venom at this angle. What the fuck is that?
your mom.
Doing your mom. Doing your mom. Oh, John holds his camera. Jesus Christ, what is that?
Oh, bitch.
Christ, John. What is that? What is that? You have to put your hand like under the. Oh!
Yo, I saw it. It moved.
Yeah, I know.
Hello.
John, don't hurt it.
Where is it?
Don't hurt it, John.
Nothing there.
Hi, welcome to my Australian outback. Today we search for the males.
I just keep hearing ruffling.
Oh
so I think it
shit!
It's not ruffling, it's ruffle.
Oh, some good berries, man. Oh man. Sorry.
What the fuck are you doing?
Huh?
Oh, hi, Daniel. Fuck, it's hot here.
Because you're standing next to me now.
You're hot, Daniel.
What? Fucking burn already. Holy shit. Why is McCain's Pizza such a good box?
Good pizza.
I think it's made out of wood.
I'm already like getting bit to shit.
Can I
I
feel?
might have to go pants on.
Can I feel?
Why do you want to feel? It's a fucking bug bite.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. I think you know me, bitch. Not happening. That's you, bitch. Disappointed.
Alright, I fixed my white balance, yeah?
No more drinking, right?
I didn't drink.
Never again.
I didn't drink. One beer, one shot of sake. That's
3
about
beer,
it.
5 sake.
6,
5.
6,
5.
maybe 7.
Y'all hear me? Y'all heard me? Daniel a bitch.
Yeah, about 6.
Really?
Yeah.
I swear you had just like
No, I
3.
kept feeding him.
Wow. That's crazy.
Alright, so Thomas, thank you for all your hard work. Thank you, John. Wait, vascular homie?
Vascular, yeah, bro. I work out, but like I have skinny ass arms.
Ross?
Daniel a bitch. I'm telling you right now. That's my dick, you faggot. Hey, bitch. Watch it. Watch it. You don't know what you're asking for. Boy. Boy.
What are you, Dan Schneider? Foot fetish, huh?
Quentin Tarantino?
Bitch.
Feet up on the dashboard. Oh shit.
You really want to play this game?